Distance here today. All right, as we get close to the open, guys, anybody newer, please, watch, observe for a couple days. We do allow you to, any new people, you can try out the ES room here. You can try out our YM room while you're on trial. Make sure to make it a class, take notes, ask questions. You're going to hear things that we say, like first touch rule, M's, W's. Most people are, familiar with that. Um, how we take our range trades. So we do ask that you at least do it in sim if you're going to try to follow along. What we ask you to do is observe for a day or two. If you're going to try to follow along with the trades, do it in sim. And what we would ask most people to do as you're on your trial here, look at starting with a pro membership so you get access to class, all the recording of the videos. We've got entire methodology planned out through a course of videos, and you get to go to live class. We do suggest that you do that for at least a month, and then we do allow you to change your memberships month to month basis, so you can go down to standard membership if you feel like you got it down. But for most people, it's about getting consistent as a trader, and that is our biggest push for people is to be profitable. As you know, we try to get our traders profitable on a daily basis, but obviously, for a lot of people, that's a big ask. We do expect that most days you should be profitable. So that is our methodology, and how we do it. We expect to take profits quick, move stops quick, and then we'll look for runners. So there is that buy signal that I was talking about. Um, there is the buy signal. So with that being said, again, sim trade, please no trading for the first 6 minutes for newer traders. Usually we tend to find a good trade between 9:36 and 9:38. Um, so that 6 minutes, some people are allowed to trade the open. So if you see that we do take a trade on through the open or in the open, um, then sorry about that. Get a little sidetracked, guys. Yeah. So what we're doing is we're just basically, uh, if you have permission to trade through the open. So don't get FOMO. Don't feel like you're missing out on anything, guys. You're not. So that is the disclaimers. Again, if you have questions, any questions, there's a chat bubble on the main members area in the bottom right hand corner. You can shoot a chat in there on memberships and or schedule a call, and we'll talk through it and see what questions you have. Help you get started. If you're a new member, we urge you to schedule a call to get acclimated with us and let us get to know you a little bit so we can help get you pointed in the right direction. And I think that's it. We got our disclaimers out of the way, our little advice out of the way. And again, we are short, guys. You can, if you have a bigger account, you can scale up short into somewhere around these two zones. If you have a bigger account, you could do that, scale up short. We are still short now, guys. So we're going to try to hold this through the open if it continues to drop down. But again, if we don't, like I said earlier, if we don't end up making a new low from this point, we are most likely going to see that rally up where the institutions probably end up try to build short positions to the tune of maybe, right? So think about it like this. We could see about a 16-point rally. So how many points in a rally do you guys think would be is there a mic yeah, there's a mini, you can trade the mini, John, so, or a micro. um, so you would expect how many points, guys? We were If you started to see a rally, how many points? Volatility numbers 18, so how many points would you 16, sorry, how many points would you expect in a rally to look for a pretty decent short? 8. Good job, Paul. What is the difference between mini and a micro? The micro is 1/10 the size of the mini. So every tick is 1250 on the ES. So 1/10 of that on the micros. That is the only difference. Price action is a little different. But we do suggest that if you get comfortable with the process after being in sim, practicing sim, start with the micros. That way you don't blow your accounts out while you're still getting consistent. 15 seconds till the open. Again, we are short. Looking for a little bit of a runner on this. Those that got short, let's try to hold it through the open. Hopefully you took your contracts off and you have one to trail. And we are open for business, guys. So after this, we look to short 8-point rallies or overbought stochastics. They'll hook down 1.79 ATR is about the same. So we're looking to take that target on the first contract probably about a point to a point and a quarter. So that 5 to 6 ticks, 4 to 6 ticks, looks like it will be the mantra for the time being. 4 to 6 ticks on your first contract. Get that 50 to $75 locked in. And the same with if you're doing multiple contracts, if you're doing 3 contracts, same applies on your second contract. Look for another 4 to 8 ticks as a target and try to leave one for a runner. Did not make the low. We'll see. Anybody that did anybody follow the whole thought process that we just said? If we don't make the new low below here, take the long signal. Did anybody do that? Anybody out there do that? Take this buy signal here, not making the new low. Anybody follow that advice? Okay. Oh, we do have some money. Okay, perfect. All right. Oh, we got one person long. All right. This, this is also a little breakout area, guys. So either be patient, let it rally up to the zone that we started seeing some selling come from before. Obviously, those of you that did take that long trade, move your stop up now, at least 47.25. Two people got a long trade. Hey, there we go. Nice job, guys. All right. Let's move our stop up a little bit, guys, to 49. It's now the stop. 49. Now the stop. It's a good target area, guys. Take contract off. Good target spot to take a contract off. We said it. If we don't make a new low, look for counter trend long signal. Did not make a new low. Took the counter trend long signal. 3 people. And it's okay, guys. You guys are starting to learn how to follow along here. So, um, those that are trading with the trend, obviously you had a sell signal here, and you got your range sell signal there. But what are we waiting on? How many point rally? How many points? $45 plus 8 is 53. Did we get to 53? Did we get to 53? Yep. Technically, we are in a downtrend. Let's move our stop up just a little bit. 50.25 looks like a good one. Momentum turned up on us. That is correct. And there was no follow through on this sell signal. So that's not yet, not really any follow through. So it's a good sign for that rally to persist. 25. Let's kick it. No shoulda, coulda, wouldas in this room, guys. No shoulda, coulda, wouldas. Just get used to looking at. I mean, now you get 2 on the ATR, so you should expect that any trade you get into, you should be able to get a 1.5 at least on your first target. Now the stop is 50.75. 50.75. Yes, 6. Yep, 669 right now on the tick chart. Oh, sorry, 699. 669. Forgive me. I haven't updated that yet this morning. That's fine. We got at least 4 points locked in, so that is fantastic. And we had the 8-tick rally we're looking for. So you guys can look for the sell signal. And we have passed 6 minutes, guys. So free to trade around the country. Ding. Need to, I'm going to treat this like a little M, guys, as well. You can treat this like an M trade. So you can treat it as an M. You can do the sell stop 50.75, where our stop on the long is. Now the stop's going to be 51.25. Boom. Dan, are you getting this, Dan? Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah, we do. And again, guys, those of you that are newer to trading, you're not quite yet 100% consistent. We do suggest that you do start with the YM. It is much more forgiving for newbies. We definitely suggest that if you're not a consistently profitable trader and you're trying to do an ES to begin with, you are fighting an uphill battle, my friends. The YM is a lot more forgiving for newer traders than the ES. So, I know. The ES is a sexy thing to trade, though. It's what everybody trades. Yeah, including the biggest institutions on the planet that will chew you up, and much more market manipulation in the ES. So, but those of you that are seasoned, you can enjoy the ES room, and we'll do pretty well each day. Try our best. I mean, shoot, if we can come out profitable yesterday, there's probably not a day. It's like one of the hardest trading days of the year. Yesterday was. So if you can come out of that profitable, then we can do almost anything that we put our minds to. Be like G.I. Joe. It's tempting to pull the stuff up, but we have 5 points, almost 5 points locked in. So that is paying yourself to stay in the trade. Next time, when the coach says, if we don't make a new low, yeah, it was a very. Let's see I wonder what the word of the day is. We're gonna check on the word of the day. Going to put your next call on. Oh yeah. Well, we're gonna take a little volatility rally here to short 52.75. Oh, sorry, 52.50. 52.50. A little anxious on that. 52.50, 7 points locked in. Boom. 6 points. Jeez, what's wrong with you? 6 points locked in. Almost 6 points. Shiznit. Well, I actually have a word of the day. Salmagundi. That's the word of the day. Salmagundi. We have a home run here, guys. This will be it for the morning. Right out of the gate. Go to the top of the zone. 55 even. 55. Don't do that just yet. Let's yeah, 55 is good. Let's use 55. Maybe a little tight at 55 on the stop, but that's okay. Maybe a little tight. But we will see. Boop. There we go. Home run. And came right on the heels of a decent little cell signal. Boom. Salmagundi, a general mixture of miscellaneous collection. A dish of chopped meat, anchovies, eggs, onions, and seasoning. Chopped meat and anchovies. Salmagundi. Salmagundi. Well, this is what happened, guys. We told you that'd be a push up to get a better short. And you had a nice little cell signal come in here and saw it on the range chart. Anybody that took that short signal, you should already have your. So again, all right, looking ATR 243, so 1.75 points. So 7 ticks would be the first target on any trade right now. First touch rule. First touch rule. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see, the low of that was 43. So 59. Oop. 59. So right into this zone would be a shortable area. If you're not already short from the sell signal, you're looking to short from 59. All right. Anybody take the short signal? You had the when I said that you guys could take the range short. Nice job, Killer B. I personally am done for the morning, so I will continue to walk you guys through this. Done for the day. Sweet. Nice job, Dan. Nice job. So, guys, again, it does take a little while to get used to looking at the way we're looking at things, looking at the charts, um, how we look at cell signals. So you're going to get a cell signal quicker on, most of the time, a little quicker on the hook of stochastics. But if you're doing the stochastic hooks, you really want to wait until it gets into a zone. Again, this morning we said we'd get up to at least 53 before you could see a cell signal, right? If not close to 59. So what was that high there? That was 57.25. Oh, was that the high? Yeah, 57.25. Right. What was the volatility number this morning, guys? Low was 43. If you really want to be a stickler, the low was 43. All right. 43 plus 16 is what? 59. So that's how you use that number. As you get close to that volatility number, you start to look for that sell signal.
Hey, Coach, are you there?
Yeah.
I think the hacker appeared again. We had orders to short at 33,899. Half of us got filled. I did not get filled, and then
Oh,
it
wow.
collapses. I mean, somebody knew we were selling there. I mean, it was like half of the people in the room got filled. Exactly hot tick, and I didn't get filled. So somebody's and I put the order in first, and then I announced it to the room. This is ridiculous. How did they get filled before me?
That's
Oh,
crazy.
you know what? Maybe they were on micro minis, and I was on a full contract.
That's probably got something to do with it.
Anyway,
Probably.
enjoy. We'll see you
Yeah.
later.
We took a long trade, and now we're short.
Great. Yeah, Grandma was buying right at 8:27 earlier, covering the short before the report. All right. See you later, guys.
Yeah, thank you. That's awesome. Well, anybody that did the long trade, that was a home run. So make note, everybody that did not do it, make note. Hey, when Coach says if we don't make a new low, look for counter trend long signal. And that said, you do it. When I say that there's probably going to be a push up to a volatility number, you start doing the math on that and saying, okay, all right, close to 59, I start to look for a what? So you didn't have to take the guy. Oh, thank you, Coach. Didn't have to take the long, right, guys? Did not have to do that. You could have just said, okay, as we approach 59, right? As we approach that 59, I will start to look to short. And it just peaked up right into close to the little zone we had right there from a previous zone. And got a nice little sell signal on stochastics. Got a nice little sell signal on the range chart. You got a lot of options to take that trade on the short side. Those are badges. This is a really the first week we've had people in from the other room, John, from the YM room in the ES room. So the badges will be updated. Some people in this room do have badges, but they're just not chatting right now. But they're basically badges of what people have done. So like Paul ATL, he's done got the elite badge because he's proven that he can be consistent as a trader by turning in trade logs and doing coaching. So the badges mean what you've done. So if you're just a standard room member, all right, pull your stops down, guys. Stop is 54.75 right now, and we're gonna have a home run on the downside. 53 now. 53 is a stop. Isn't it funny how that works, guys? Yesterday, we busted our butts to get these trades. Today, it's just like taking candy from a freaking baby, right? Tom, you catch that? Tom, cars go. Oh, Tony, did you catch it? Let's see. Who do I know here? James got it. Dan got it. Killer B got it. Yeah, right. We need one of those die you dirty dogs for us, right? Let's see if we got that.
Die, you dirty dog.
Love it. I don't know how we could have planned better than this today, guys. I really don't know how we could have done better than this today, this morning. Third trade. One little winner. Home run on the upside, and what's shaping up to be a home run on the short side. So we can go back to that mode of shorting rallies, 2.7 ATR. So now you can realistically expect to take how many points, how many ticks out of your first target? What should your first target be now? What should your first target be now, guys? Somebody type it in. I'm trying to get you guys to think through the thought process. Think through what we saw this morning, why we said that, why did we take that long signal, right? Why did we take this long signal? Right? Why did we take this long signal? So, all right. Well, I will keep my mouth shut if you guys don't want to participate. But or you guys just get lulled to sleep by listening to me run my mouth. This is why we do a volatility number. This is why we plan in advance. This is why we start looking through things. This is why we say, okay, well, we've seen this story before, right? We've seen this story before. If remember Tuesday, right? Today's Thursday. Remember Tuesday? You guys were here. We said on Tuesday that we weren't going to miss the opportunity at one of those moves again. So we had the chance of getting one today, and we did it. And then look for the volatility move up. Those that follow the process. Now, again, I understand that most of this is new to some of you guys. What's a volatility move? Well, so we calculate an estimated move that the market can move, that the market should move counter to its direction, general direction being down, right? So you take an estimate of these swings from the overnight session, and today that ended up being 16. And if I don't, what was so 59 would have been the actual number, but we got what was that, 47.50, 47.25, 47.25, 57.25. So I mean, literally 7 ticks, right, away from 7 ticks away from All right, ladies and gentlemen, there was another sell signal with high stochastics. Stop now to 52.50. This is a great spot to look to take profits on this. Killer B, if you got multiple contracts, take a profit. Take your profit on one contract. Anybody with multiple contracts, take profit here on one of those contracts. And boom. Doesn't get better than that, right, guys? I don't know what else I can do. We're going to make those lows, huh? Anybody re-enter here with the high stochastic hook? Anybody do that? Anybody try to get the entry? Or you guys just short from the high? Everybody else, you must be patient. Let the stochastics come up, get overbought, roll over, and you're looking for how many points? 2.8 ATR. How many ticks are you guys looking for? Tell me. I want you guys to start thinking through these things. How many ticks would you look for with a 2.93 ATR on your first target? With a 3 ATR, you probably could do 2 points easy, right? So somewhere between 1.75 to 2.25, right? Okay, yeah, you can be conservative. That's fine. Completely fine. Everybody is in the same boat now. 2 home runs, guys. Oof. Okay, yeah, I can try to do that. I'll have to stop my screen share and switch over. I think actually this chart may still be on my sim account. Um, let me refresh and switch over and we can try to do that. There's your hook on stochastics. And Ben's over here. Where did you go long? I'll show you the long signal in just a couple minutes. Just a couple minutes. We got some people in a trade short, John. So when they get out of that, we're going to slow it down a little bit. And we'll kind of review. We'll do a review. How about that? We'll do a review of what was said this morning, what we walked through this morning, how we did things. Boom. Nice job. Boom. 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 Nice. I don't have a gong in this room. but great job. Unlike NASA, that's good. I like that. And I'm assuming you followed the plan today, Boom, right? To do that, follow the instructions to getting that done for the day spot. Plan. What we talked through all morning, what we said. Took the first sell signal. If we don't make a new low, we're going to take that as a buy signal on the long side, wait for the volatility to move up, short it. That's pretty much all we did. That was the morning. You don't need no stinking plans. Oh. All right, let's do a quick review then. All right. So quick review, John. First thing we posted this morning, if you look up top, first thing, what was the first thing? What was the very first thing posted, guys? This was posted in the alert section at Control C. I'll post this down here in the main chat. Control V. Enter. All right. So Coach Brian at 8:24 a.m. When was it actually posted? We actually posted it at. Let me find it. (8:24 a.m.) Hey, look at that. Support, resistance, volatility, 16. 8:24. Short 8-point rallies. Look for volatility move up, then continue a trend down day. So, first thing we did, short the rally. Didn't make a new low. Second comment, if we don't make a new low, look for counter trend long signal. So, here's what happened. Let's scoochie. We came in and didn't really catch anything before 8, but we was a low here. So somewhere around 43, right? So we get pushed up to 51. Right, okay. Pretty close to an 8-point rally, right? And took our sell signal. Then we had that comment at 9:11. 9:11 posted comment before we even got out of the short trade here that we're in, right? We didn't really get out of the short until we reversed to go long on the no new low and a stochastic hook. Right, just as the market was opening. I even said that you guys could have taken the breakout here. If you took the breakout, you literally took almost no heat on the long signal. Some people got filled here. Some people took the breakout at 51 or 50.75, and they trailed that up. And then next comment, sell signal forming. Let me scoot forward, 10:05. And you actually didn't get the signal until, sorry, got the signal to sell here. And you got a signal to sell here, right? And we said that with the ATR, you want to take a 2-tick profit target, 2-point profit target at least. And guess what? You got that. So that was this morning. That's what we did this morning. That's what we talked through. We knew that there was going to be some kind of put. We had a really good inclination that if we didn't see it lower, we would see that push up to a volatility move, which we got. And then people who didn't do counter trend got the sell signal off the volatility move. All right. That was it, John. Make sense? So I'm just telling you what some of our traders did and following along. Now, obviously, not everybody does everything we ask. So we had, if you follow the trend and just took the short trades, you had 1 home run. If you follow the instructions we gave, you had 2 home runs. So now look for, now we're going to wait, let this get a little overbought in the 2-minute. And again, guys, you could do another, so look at this. What was the low here on this candle? 47.50 plus 16 is what? 47.50 plus 16 is what, guys? How many are in this room right now? How many are in this room right now? Why do you ask? Mike's here. Hey, buddy. Watching and learning. $47.76-ish. There you go. Thank you, boom. Present. 76-ish. I can't drive 55. And again, guys, this is one of those situations where we want to take these swings, right? Today, take these low swings, keep that in mind, right? You keep those low swings in mind today. Anytime we can't get that low swing, we will look for the counter trend trade this morning. So we'll keep track of those here on the 2-minute. Anytime we want to see some type of like reversal pattern, anytime we see that, we will take the counter trend trade this morning, or you guys can take the counter trend trade. So 76-ish. Yeah. Yep, John. So now, guys, this zone becomes support, right? this area. You can look for a buy signal out of that. Oversold stochastics, we can look for a buy signal. The prudent thing would be is, let me ask this. Is everybody green this morning? Is there anybody that's red? If you follow the plan, you should be green, but I'm not going to yell at you. If there's anybody that's red, we're going to try. I know you're green. You're massive green. Nice, Chris. It's a good day, buddy. Okay, Craig. All right, again, this is Craig, have you traded? You've traded ES before, right? Okay. All right. Just I think it's just probably getting used to kind of listening to and seeing the plan and taking action on it. Is that probably the issue? We just need to get in sync together a little bit. So this is what you're going to do. Craig, ready? Here's what you're going to do. We're not going to complicate this at all. You're going to let the stochastics get oversold. Hook up nicely, like this right here. And you're going to take that long trade. Okay? All right. I need to re-up some coffee. I think I earned a little coffee break this morning. Try to be back before the 10:30 reversal. It may come early, right? We are still somewhat in a downtrend. So anybody that's selling on these hooks down in stochastics, how many points are you looking for? How many points are you looking for if you're selling on the hooks down in stochastics? 1.75, so about 7 ticks. Maybe 5 to 7 ticks would be your first target right now. And if it doesn't give you a clean hook, Craig, like this, if it doesn't give you a clean hook, it doesn't literally look like a fishing hook, be patient and wait to take it. All right, Craig? That makes sense? All right. This is the type of hook you really want to see. This stuff right here doesn't give me a lot of confidence in those buy signals. So, all right. I'm gonna grab coffee. You guys think I earned coffee? Did we earn some coffee this morning? If you're gonna keep me chained in my chair. All right. Okay. Quick coffee break. Craig knows what to do. And your first profit target. Everybody will be green soon. Be right back.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to both our ES and YM rooms, as well as our live basic and advanced training classes. We also allow you to participate in chat and have your questions answered by our coaches. After your first free 3 days, it is $149 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.